Chicken wings, chicken wings. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2018 Toyota 4Runner TRD off-road. This super beast is ready to go. It's ready to hit the trail. You know what? We're up here at the booth. We got a little time. JP came up. We've got the heartbreaker dent. It's all fixed up. And what we're going to do today, I think the best thing to do, we're going to pop the tail light out. We're going to pop our fender flare off. We're going to take the bumper off. We're going to try to save this little piece. And we got to paint this thing. We got to blend it all in here. And then we're going to have to paint it all the way to here. That's why that this was the heartbreaker dent, because it's so much work. But you know what? We're going to get it done. So let's stop talking. Let's start painting.
Alright guys, so we got it all taped up. Everything's ready. We're hitting it with some wax and grease remover right now. Next thing we're going to do is tack it down. And then we're going to get ready to put 3 coats of base, 2 coats of clear coat on this thing, and then it'll be ready to go. The heartbreaker dent will be 100% fixed. So let's get to it.
Alrighty guys, we got here today. We had a mission. Everything kind of fell into place. We jumped on this thing, all 3 of us. As soon as we got here, we got the heartbreaker dent looking 100% amazing. It turned out absolutely flawless. So we got the 4Runner all taped up here in the booth. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get it all untaped. We let it bake for about 30. It's good and dry, like good and dry. So we had it baking for 30. We got our bumper ready to go back on. We may just let this ride home in the cab with us, but I tell you what, we couldn't be happier with the heartbreaker dent, the way it all turned out. So let's get her untaped and let's get home. Alrighty guys, check that out, man. This heartbreaker dent turned out 100% OEM. We couldn't be happier with our body work and our paint job. It absolutely looks 100% amazing. We can't wait to completely get it put back together, but we gotta, you know, we just snapped everything on just to get it home, and then we did easily tested out the crawl control just a little bit and crawled up on this big oak log. Can't wait to hit the trail with this thing. We can't wait to get the winch installed. We just can't wait for that stuff. So I tell you what, we did an absolute 100% job on this. I do think that that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. If you like this video and you like this content, drop us a like. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before you too. Leave a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.